I'm Rachel DePompa.
Now, your first alert forecast from Live 5 News.
Good Thursday afternoon to you. I'm meteorologist Stephanie Sine as we plan ahead for our weekend and plan ahead for next week. Quite a few changes are on the way. We've been talking about this throughout the day. Joey mentioned it this morning, Dorian Bill this afternoon. We do have a very cold air mass moving into the region next week. So we've already issued some first alert weather days just to bring your attention to some very cold air that we're going to see. And if we see precipitation with that, could even see a little bit of wintry precipitation. Of course, still a little too far out, models and disagreements, so we have a lot to talk about here, but enjoy what you're feeling right now. Blue skies, sunshine, temperatures almost back to average, almost 59 degrees. We should be at 60 for this time of the year. That's why I say almost. And it's been a while since we've actually been at or above that average high temperature. Like we mentioned earlier, though, what we're really focusing on, I know we have some rain in store this weekend. It's a non-issue, but into next week, Tuesday into Wednesday, that's what we're really focusing on as this cold air is really going to be chilly. We're talking about highs in the 30s, lows in the 20s, wind chills possibly in the teens. So very chilly as we move into the middle of next week. We'll talk more about it in just a moment, but focusing on the rest of your Thursday. A beautiful afternoon outside, especially compared to what we're about to see this weekend. Definitely some rain on the way. High pressure, though, that's what's in charge at the moment, keeping us rain free for tonight, throughout the day on Friday. You can see here there's not much on the map Friday. By 6 o'clock Friday afternoon, you can see we're rain-free, pretty sunny throughout the day tomorrow, but overnight into early Saturday, that's when we'll start to introduce those clouds and even see a bit of rainfall as we head into those late night hours. Right now, though, temperatures in the 50s, like I mentioned, feeling pretty nice compared to previous days. Look at this temperature change. All of us trending quite a few degrees warmer than previous days. We have a little bit of a southerly component to our wind that will kick in, bringing us that increase in temperatures. I'm not talking about warm temperatures, but at least closer to average. For tonight, cooling back off. You can see by 8 o'clock, 49 degrees. So once we really lose our daylight temperatures, yes, we'll drop back below freezing for some folks. That's the case in Kingstree at 30, 29 in Manning, 30 degrees in Orangeburg, 32 right at freezing in Somerville, 33. Just 1 degree above that freezing mark into North Charleston. And yes, this weekend we have a little bit of an increase with our temperatures in terms of highs and lows, but this is the chill that we've been talking about for next week. Look at this, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. This is really one reason why we have those first alert weather days for at least Tuesday and Wednesday. Low temperatures in the 20s, possibly even low 20s for some spots inland. For tomorrow, enjoy it. We'll be back in the 50s, kind of similar to what you're feeling this afternoon. A pretty nice day, a dry day on Friday. Rainfall very likely, though, as we head into Saturday. Sunday could see a few leftover showers, and then, of course, next week, that's that storm system that we're really monitoring. For the weekend, though, this is 8 a.m. early Saturday, even through 11 o'clock. By the afternoon, should get a few dry hours, but we could see some rainfall as we head into our Sunday afternoon, and then we should dry out for Monday. Monday is going to be a cold day. You'll really notice a big difference when you step outside on Monday compared to Sunday. Look at this drop. 63 on Sunday, 43 on Monday. So a cold start to the week once again. Monitoring Tuesday and Wednesday first alert weather days for the potential, possibly some wintry precipitation. Cold temperatures definite, though. Those highs in the 30s. That's it for your forecast. Let's get a check in on the road.